Very simple pheasant or like a ground bird snare. An archway built, a wire snare. The other end of the snare goes round and is connected to a log down there. Very simple, but you do have to build it somewhere like this. Somewhere where it's a passing space, if you know what I mean. So the animal or the bird has to be funneled through there. But really simple, hazel stick bent over, pushed in, your wire snare put on. Now this is some wire I found. It's similar to, you know, the kind of tie, it's kind of like little ties about this big for tying up sandwich bags. It's like that, but it's a garden style one. But it's very, very strong and you'd never be able to break it with your hands. Alternatively, you could use paracord, brass wire, because if you're talking about pheasants, these aren't animals with claws or teeth, so you can get away with much lighter, simpler snares. There you go, easy. Just put it in a gap where the animal's got to pass through. And you could also put a trail of food and maybe block up over the top as well.